Welcome dear students in this video of lecture series NSEP 2022. Please stop the video and try to understand the problem. Read the problem carefully and I will start to solve it. And in the problem, first I have to draw the diagram of the equilibrium. So dear students, this is a tumbler. And this is a rod of length L. This is rod of length L, point A, and suppose this rod is balanced at this situation and it should be the reaction force in this direction. It should be the reaction force, and suppose this point is B, this is an angle alpha, and at this point there should be a normal. Suppose this is a rod, so perpendicular of this rod it should be the normal, and we can extend this normal in behind and behind this rod, and this is intersection point. Suppose this point is C and this intersection point is D, and weight should work in downward direction. If this angle is alpha, then it should be 90 minus alpha. Yes, it should be 90 minus alpha and should be alpha. And if I extend this weight in upward direction, then this angle should be alpha. And we can consider A, B, C. It should represent the center of gravity of the rod. And we can consider that if this angle is alpha, then by geometry cos alpha, it should be AB upon AC. It should be AB upon AC. We have taken triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. And similarly, in this triangle, this is triangle number 1, this is triangle number 2, and it should be the triangle number 3. Now we are discussing about the triangle 2, and cos alpha in this triangle should be cos alpha. It should be BC upon DC. BC upon DC. Now we are discussing about the triangle BCD. Triangle DBC. DBC. And again, this is triangle number 1. This is triangle number 2. Now we are discussing about the triangle number 3. Cos alpha again. Cos alpha, it should be cos alpha DC. This angle is alpha. DC upon DG. DC upon DG. DC upon DG. DG. Now we have taken triangle DCG. DCG. So if you multiply these three equations, suppose this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. So we should multiply equation number 1, 2, and 3. And it becomes cos alpha into cos alpha into cos alpha. The left side cos alpha into cos alpha into cos alpha. This is left hand side. And in right hand side, it should be AB upon AC into BC upon DC into DC upon DG, and it becomes cos cube alpha equal to, if DC cancel out, then we can write AB upon AC into BC upon DG. BC upon DG. And we can see in the diagram triangle ADG and triangle ABC both are similar triangle. So in similar triangle we can write in both similar triangle ABC and triangle ADG are similar. BC upon DG, we can write BC upon DG equal to AC upon AG. AC upon AG. So this BC upon DG can be replaced by AC upon AG, and we can write AB upon AC into BC upon DG replaced by AC upon AG. Now AC can be cancelled out, and cos cube alpha, it becomes AB upon AG. AB upon AG. So we know that this is D. So AB is D and AG. This G point represents the center of gravity of the rod. So AG should be L by 2. Length of the rod is L. So AG should be L by 2. Or we can write 2D upon L. So cos cube alpha equal to 2D upon L, and cos alpha should be 2D upon L to the power 1 by 3. To the power 1 by 3. This is cos alpha. And alpha should be cos inverse 2D upon L to the power 1 by 3. And we can, if we see the answer, cos inverse 2D upon L to the power 1 by 3, this answer B should be correct. So dear students, this is the solution of this problem. Please see it carefully, and if you have any comment, then if you have any doubt, then you can write on the comment. Thank you very much. We will meet again in the next problem.